Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard level in Geometry Dash, easy method. Start by choosing a clear theme and target difficulty, then sketch key obstacles on paper or in Notepad to guide layout. Build short sections and test them often to catch unfair spikes. Focus on rhythm and telegraphing hazards so players learn patterns. Keep art minimal at first, then polish visuals after gameplay feels solid and fun. Break the level into bite-sized chunks and tune each to the music so players can learn by ear. Use sync points and careful timing to align obstacles to beats, and start with predictable patterns that progress into harder combos. Add checkpoints or shorter safe passages to reduce frustration, then increase complexity gradually. Keep playtesting after every change and listen to feedback to refine timing and flow for satisfying difficulty. Polish means consistency, not just fancy visuals, so prioritize fixes that affect play. Watch recordings to find unfair traps or confusing timing, then simplify or rework those sections. Share builds with a small group for diverse input and balance feedback against your design goals. Once gameplay timing is reliable, layer in decorations and lighting to enhance mood without hiding hazards. Repeat this loop until the level feels tight and rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.